It's hurricane season, people. It's actually not. Wait, it's I'm not even talking about hurricane. I meant to say it's tornado season, even though it's not. But I guess you already know what we're going to talk about. Natural disasters, people. Not just any natural disaster. We're talking about the Reno thing that happened in Oklahoma. Yeah, that. The El Reno tornado took place on May 31st of 2013, hitting not royal, I wish they were royal, I would be living there all the time, but rural areas of Oklahoma. Now, according to what I looked up, Google, Google says that this is the world's biggest tornado. That's a thing. Apparently, people care about that stuff. But, this thing was, I've seen footage of it. This thing is huge. Like, huge. hmm Now, this tornado was so big. Okay, I'm talking about so big. It cost almost $40 million in damage. That's more than my life. That's probably more than your life at the unless you're like a celebrity watching this. Because if you are, like, subscribe, like, maybe give me a shout. Yeah, no. But it costs almost $40 million in damage. That's a lot. Who would pay it? Billionaires. I sure wouldn't. But the thing was almost 7,000 feet tall in height. So this thing was pretty big. Like, pretty huge. And it basically ripped through Oklahoma like, it ain't nothing. They don't care about y'all. Move out of my way. You up. Storm chasers, you get in my way? Okay. Sug you up, throw you out your car. Ah, Lordy. And this thing ended up killing three. Not bad, but still it killed, and it killed three people. Now, these people weren't normal people. They weren't normal citizens. They were actually storm chasers. The people that like to get near the thing and track what it does. I love them for what they do, but to me, it's a pretty stupid job. Like, why would you risk your life to go racing after something that's bound to kill you anyway? I don't know how you do it. But Lord, I could never be a storm chaser. I would have got killed on the first day. Uh-huh. But anyway, it killed three people. These people were storm chasers, and they were killed in action. I think that's what you'd call it. Killed on the job. Yeah. So apparently these people were ripped out of their, well, no. One died in the car, and then two were ripped out the car. So I don't have footage of it. I'm not going to show you footage of people flying out. But here's footage of the tornado. So, if you liked this video, like it, comment, tell me how I'm doing, tell me what you want to see, right? Subscribe, okay? A lot of you are viewing my videos and are not subscribed, so please subscribe. That words. Please subscribe to the channel, okay? Hit the notification bell so you know when I post, because I will be posting a lot sometimes. You might like get 3 videos in a day, depending. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Tell me what you like and what you want to see, because I will do it depending on what it is. Like, you know. Yeah. I hope you all have a great day. Don't get sucked up in a tornado.